Okay guys, now welcome to my kitchen. I am Brad and you're watching Homefit. Now today I'm going to teach you how to make a protein salad. A salad you can take right after your workout to build those muscles. Alright, now let's get straight into it. So first things first, you need your baked beans, your source of protein, your avocados, which are rich in proteins and carbs. You have your carrots, your tomatoes, your bell pepper, and your cabbage. Now all we have to do is mix everything in a bowl and we're ready to serve. All right, so I'm going to get my bowl, my baked beans, I'm just going to use half a can, and mix my ingredients. And stir. We will add a little bit of salt for taste and some garlic powder. Stir some more. All right, so we have our mixture all ready to be served. Get our plates and we are good to go. All right guys, so there you have it, your protein salad. You can have this, like I said earlier, right after your workout or before your workout, right before you hit town, go to work and make that money. Thank you so much for joining me on Homefit. I'm your trainer Brad and I will see you next time on the next episode. See you guys.